Hey everyone, it's SVTWRC. Recently got the chance to try out some of this SuperClean brand floor absorbent. If you change your own engine oil or coolant, you probably have these laying around. This fluid change bin has multiple fluids inside of it. There's ATF, there's coolant, there's a little bit of motor oil in there. It claims it's 4 times more absorbent than clay. We're going to try and use as little as possible to clean up this mess. And already, I'm pretty impressed with the results. I've used absorbents in the past and I've never seen anything work this fast. It's a little before and after shot. 16-ounce cup is what I used of the floor absorbent and a couple sprays of SuperClean. Got my oil change container right back to new again. This is the SVTWRC channel, so I wanted to show you a little something different than just cleaning up the floor with it. Save the litter for your cat and go get some SuperClean. Alright everyone, SVTWRC, check out SuperClean at your local auto parts store or your hardware store. Take care everyone. Bye bye.